Looking to upgrade your bathroom? Let's break down the differences between our three top-selling toilets, the Summit, the Fusion and the Fairfield. First, the Summit, designed for comfort and accessibility. It features a raised height pan, making it ambulant and care compliant. You'll also get a rimless pan with jet tornado flush, plus a nano glaze antibacterial coating for easy cleaning. And with back or bottom inlet options, it's super flexible to install. Next, the Fusion. Sleek, modern and packed with features. It includes a rimless jet tornado flush with nano glazing and a hidden front entry point for cleaner, minimalist look. Finished with a slim sandwich seat, it's built for both style and performance. Finally, the Fairfield. Simple, powerful and practical. This wall-faced suite features new rimless technology for a strong, efficient flush. Like the others, it includes nano glaze pan technology for easy cleaning and offers back or bottom inlet installation. So what's the difference? The Summit is best for accessibility and comfort. The Fusion is your modern, feature-packed option, and the Fairfield delivers reliable performance with a clean, classic design. Whichever you choose, you're getting quality, performance and style. Visit us today to find the perfect fit for your bathroom at bathwaredirect.com.au.